Why are you saying no protest?
Hunger day.
Shut up!
Everywhere. You can't even buy Gary. You can't even smoke Gary. Gary that you will buy 100 naira is now 500 naira.
No protest.
Okay.
No protest.
Okay. What is this now? What's it?
Your balance.
Yes, my balance.
After the show, you call your balance. Just go there. What you going to talk now? No protest. Hey, we bring this thing for them. Yeah, they go.
No protest. No protest. No protest.
Okay, these are the anti-protesters in the street of Lagos. Let us know why they don't want protest. Let us ask them why. You are saying no protest.
Yes.
Why are you saying no protest?
Hunger day.
Shut up!
Everywhere. You can't even buy Gary. You can't even smoke Gary. Gary that you will buy 100 naira is now 500 naira. Fuel we buy 120 is now 800. Some places 1,000. So why can't we protest?
Hunger day.
Hunger day. Photo. I go the hunger day. Hunger day. Man, they don't see food chop. Yes, hunger day.
But your card said no protest.
Hunger day. Hunger day.
Who wrote this thing?
Na them write am. Na them.
Who be them?
Na them write am. They write and give me na, but as they write the thing, my brain they talk another thing. Hunger day. Hunger day. Leave me. Hunger day. Na them write am.
Take your balance.
Siama!
Where's my balance?
You know what they say make you do now?
It's hunger day now. Hunger day.